Hi guys, in this video tutorial we will take a look at a while loop. What is while loop and how to use it. Friends, while loop is also known as entry control loop because we give condition before the execution of the loop body. So let's start building our while loop. For while loop we have need a counter variable through which we can control the iteration of our loop. So let's create our counter variable int counter has 0. I assigned 0 because I want to start my counter from 0. After creating our counter variable, we have to write our keyword while, and in parentheses we have to give our condition, and I want to run my loop for 10 times from 0 to 10, it means 11 times. So let's write for this a condition, and this condition will be while counter less than equal to 10, run this loop, and the statements in these curly braces will be executed. And let's write our statements, and I have to write my statements. I want to print numbers from 0 to 10, so I will write cout and cout I and end line, and that's it. And this is our while loop, but take a note of one thing. Here is our counter variable. Okay, I named it I have to counter. Here is our counter variable, never gets incremented in this while loop. This makes it an infinite loop, and this will never gonna be end. Let's try and run it. Okay, Windows Defender already stopped it for some reasons. Okay, let me see it. Windows Defender always causing me different problems. Okay, let's try it again. This will be an infinite loop, and this will never end because our condition will never get false, and I have to put Control C in order to exit this loop. Okay, to make it false at some point, we have to increment this counter variable. For that, we have to write one more statement, counter plus plus, because now we want to increment our counter each after each iteration by 1. And in this way, first let's see how our loop will run. First, our variable is created, and we have 0 in this variable, in this container, and in the while we are testing whether this counter variable is less or equal 10. If it is, run the loop, run this loop statements, run these loop statements, and it will run these loop statements, and after printing this value on the screen, it increments the counter by 1, and hence after first iteration counter variable gets 1, and second, after second it 2, and is in this way. Once we reach to 11, our loops gets terminated because 11 is not less than or equal to 10. And that's it for our while loop. Let's run it. And in this way we get 0 to 10 numbers, because now the condition of while loop will be false at some point. And that's it for our while loop. Hope you like this video. If it was helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.